Hi everyone, this is Kelly, and today I have a new project to share with you. Actually, several projects, as you can see. I have been making these like crazy. So today I'm going to show you how I make these little journals. Basically, there are 6 by 4 little journals that you can have in your handbag. And how this all originated is several years back. I saw a tutorial with using the laminator, and well, I just tried myself at one of these and created this one, and I've been carrying it around with me on and off, and this stayed in one of my handbags. So I changed handbags. I put this one, I left it in my old handbag, and then not that long ago, about a month ago, I took that handbag that was holding this one back, added things to it, and this was in the bottom of it. And okay, about 3 weeks ago, I was at work, and then I started being very, very, very sick. My stomach started to hurt like crazy. So I went to the nurse, the office nurse, and she had to call the emergencies, and I had to be taken to emergency room. And from there, they found out that I had something with my guts. I think that's the word in English, and decided that I had to stay over for at least the night to do some further checks and on what was going on and stuff. And I ended up spending 3 days there, and it was far from my place, so I was all alone. My husband came and brought me a change of clothes, but that was it. I was alone there for 3 full 24 hours, and when looking in my bag, I found this, and I actually used it because it was there, and it had some washies and a few things here and all I had was this, so I used the book. And when so this was actually the first page I did when I was in the hospital, and then after I left, I did this. This is me there, and yeah, so I did use this little journal, and I felt so grateful that I had this that I decided to make more of them. So I made another one that I've been using since. Is this one? This is my personal one. And as you can see, it's jammed already. I'm going to Africa soon again, and I was thinking this would be my journal for while I'm there, but it's already full, so I had to make this one to take with me. So I changed a little bit. As you can see, this one just had this rubber, and but I thought it wasn't that convenient, so I added a button on the other ones. This one here has a button, and I've already started using it, as you can see. So I love them so much, and they're quite easy to make, as I'm going to show you soon. So this is the one I made for my next trip. Very simple. They all have a pocket at the front and another pocket at the back, and they are very, very simple. Basically, I put the papers that I love to use in my journals inside. So I love to have some black pages, of course, coffee dyed paper. I have this was it Leonardo book that I coffee dyed the pages, and so I added some of them. These are some watercolor paper that I added here, and basically that's it. And then in the middle, I add an envelope to store whatever I pick up from my trips, which I always do, as you probably know by now. Then a little charm on the outside. The cover is laminated, so you can carry it with you without fear of messing it up. And yeah, that's basically what the little booklet is all about. I've made this one for my little niece. She wanted one, so she chose the papers and stuff. She wanted it very colorful, so I went with colorful papers in there for her to draw and things. Then that's the middle envelope. She wanted it with the unicorn, so that's what she got. And pocket front, pocket back, and the little charm. She chose the little heart. Then I made one for my daughter because she does she draws, and she wanted something to jolt down inside. So hers is made of This is the charm, and hers is made of mainly of watercolor paper, so she can draw and things. And I've added some black pages as well. This is the envelope in the middle, and this is what it looks like. So very simple things. And then these two, so this is the one that I made a tutorial on. The same as the rest, and this is another one that I had made when I made my first one, so it's got a mixture of various components as well. It's got some ledger paper, some watercolor paper, and as you can see, it's a variety. So these two are going to be offered to two of my subbies, as you will see at the end of this video. As you may have noticed, I have reached 5,000 subbies, which is amazing for me. I am so thankful to each one of you guys for being so supportive with me, and so I want to give back, and I will be doing many little giveaways just to thank my current subbies. There's no need to share or to have new subbies or whatever. Whoever is my subby today is entered in the giveaway and will stand a chance to get these little journals. So get yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and just stay tuned, and let's go through the making of this little journal here. I'll see you at the end.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. I'm sorry if it's all too much. symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find the key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. I'm sorry if it's all too much, but every day you're here I'm healing. And I was running out of luck. I never thought I'd find this feeling, 'cause I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. Every melody is timeless. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. Symphony, we hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find the key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. I'm sorry if it's all too much,
So that's it. This is how I made this little journal here. There are two footage that I missed out. Is when I actually made the little button. If you guys really need to have a tutorial on that, then I can make a small one. But really, this is all you need to have is the pliers and stuff, and you have to add this before you actually. I at least that's what I do. I add the button before I put the signature in, and then the charm, I also didn't do it on camera, but it's very simple. It's made out of beads, paper beads that I made following a tutorial. If I can find it, I will link it down below. Well, like I mentioned before, this one and this one will be offered up to two of my subscribers to thank them for their continuing support. And as usual, I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you around soon. Oh, and by the way, the winners will be announced in my next video. I'm going to try and make it in the next video. As you know, sometimes things come up and I'm not able to do so. Please don't hold it against me. I will announce the winners somehow. Well, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you around soon. Happy crafting. Bye.
Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along.